Top of the top, everybody. It's your boy AG, aka 20-year-old AG. Happy late birthday to Mr. AG, aka me. But yeah, we just turned 20. The vet looks a little different, boys and girls. You know. Oh shit. We got new fresh Mickey Thompsons. Side skirts are all put on. We got the lip on. We got headlights on. Badges. I mean, I don't know what you guys haven't seen, but yeah, this car's fucking coming together real nice. Got new side markers too, so car's really coming together. I think there's not much left besides some fucking boost, but today's video we're gonna be showing you the homie Lorenzo. You've probably seen this single turbo gray 335i. He's gonna be sliding. He just single turboed it now. He was full bolts on before, so we'll show you guys that when he gets here. Can we get a late happy birthday to Mr. AG? Shout out 1320 with the fire merch. But yes, sir. Oh, what a weird coincidence. Oh my God. Here comes Nicholas Laras. Hold on. He's about to do a pull with the single turbo car. Let's see it. Oh, hell yeah. It's beginning to feel a lot like summer, boys and girls. I don't know about that. That boy Nick chopping. Shit looks sick. He's putting on his new diffuser. We're gonna help him out real quick. See if we get this thing going. Shit's still spinning. Look at that.
Smoke?
Damn. You ready?
Scary, but hey, we're cool.
You ready to get smoked? Damn.
Me, son?
Who would win?
Not right now. Probably me, because he's on a bass tune.
Yeah.
Done 19 pounds. We about to get a rip later now.
Mine's making more boost than that, and I swear his is faster.
Well, duh. Duh, it's a single turbo.
Don't trust him to do your work. Look, he's about to fuck up this car. 1 of 300. So. Already fucking it up.
Y'all must send this to the group chat, bro.
Am I gonna make it to the board?
Yeah, you're definitely gonna make it to the I gotta go up here because you're tall. Look.
Yeah. God damn, bro. Holy fuck.
That boy Nicholas, a little chop. Peep his little Camaro, Hot Wheels edition. This shit's actually tough as fuck. Y'all gotta follow the boy on TikTok. I know he's active as hell on there. The boy Lorenzo. He's also active on TikTok, Instagram, everything. Follow the boys. He's got a YouTube channel now too. So if you guys really want to see this car put in some work, if you like BMWs, if you guys like fucking single turbo BMWs now, it's gonna be a manual swap soon. But hell yeah, boys. We're gonna go for a little rip, see how this bitch feels. Damn, you can fucking hear that shit, even just coasting. Sheesh. Damn! That bitch fucking was loud. I barely got that, but I got it. Kind of bullying chat, but whatever. Holy shit! Holy shit, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, did you fucking hear that shit? Yo, what the fuck? Bro, that shit, bro, as soon as that turbo's full, bro, it was gone. Yo.
Low boost, this shit's fast.
Bro, that shit was crazy, bro. As soon as that shit hit, bro, shot a flame for sure, bro. That shit's crazy.
Holy shit.
40? fucking skating, bro. That shit was spinning up. Yeah, I can feel it. That shit was definitely fucking spinning. Yo, that shit was fucking sick. Good ass runs though. That shit was sick. Yeah, that boy looks shit sick as fuck. Yo, what's that noise?
Buckle up, nigga.
Fucking BMW. Shit. Oh, Jesus. Hey. Yo. Random BMW encounters. Later. That's crazy. Me and random fuck. How you feel? You got fans now.
I'm saying, bro.
Shit different, bro. That wastegate's so stupidly loud, bro. Stupid loud. Jesus. Yo, car was so fast. What happened?
He fucking almost blew it up. That's why you don't buy BMWs, guys.
He drives a BMW. Yo, what? Car is too fast.
I should have
Blew
bought
the
a
fender liner.
Corvette like that.
I knew that's gonna be the end of the video. David featuring Nick, Lorenzo, Jaime, Leo. We outside. It's the beginning of summer. Many videos will drop after this. But yep, hope you guys enjoy it. Later.